Hello friends, welcome to the first lecture of object-oriented programming in JavaScript. So we will discuss about objects in JavaScript, and in this we have some features of object-oriented programming, and it is compulsory to know what role does this object plays. So object is simply a object like a chair, table, pen, pencil or a car. So you can say object is something with which you can use any facility. Now to understand it more clearly, let's take an example. We have an object house, which is obviously a big object. So let's discuss about a house. To purchase a house, we first want to know about the location of the house and where is the house. Then we want to know the age of the house and how old it is. Then we care for color, number of rooms, number of floors. So the house is an object and all of these are the properties of this object. So an object consists of properties and methods. So to use any facility or feature, we must create its object in order to use it. Now we are familiar with objects and properties. Let me tell you about the methods. Methods are the ways to access these properties using objects. So this was the quick overview of methods. Now let's discuss one by one in deep very clearly. So objects are of two types. They are direct create an object, and the other type is objects with functions. These are the two ways to create an object. First of all, I will discuss create an object directly. So to create an object directly, we have a syntax. Let me tell you about this. The syntax says we have to write var for the variable, then obj, that's the name of the object, then equals to and new, and after that object, then a parenthesis and a semicolon. So first of all, we declare a variable using var, then we write its name. I usually choose obj as the object name. So the variable we are creating here will be the object. Now I put equal to sign. So first of all, we declare a variable using var, then we write its name. I usually choose obj as the object name. So the variable we are creating here will be the object. Now I put equal to sign and I use new keyword, then I write the object method. So through this way I have created an object, and the name of this object is obj. Suppose I am creating a house object, so I will write like var, then house, and then new and object. Now to use any property of house, I will write like house dot location, and then I will write equals to and then playlist, then a semicolon, and then I will write house dot age and equals to sign, then 15 and a semicolon. Now to use any property, I will write like this. And so this is the method to use any object for accessing the properties. Now that was a real life example. Now let's do an example practically to understand it better. First of all, I will declare an object. So I write here var, then object name I am writing obj, then I am writing equals to new object, and after that I will write like obj dot location, then equals to, and after that I will write palace, and then we have to write like this and then a semicolon. Okay, and after that I will write obj dot color equals to suppose white, then a semicolon, and then obj then age equals to 1947, then I will write obj.story. So suppose it is of 2-story. So now I have an object obj and its properties are location, color, age and story. All these properties have certain values as I have defined for them. Now I want to access them. So for that I can write like this. If I want to access, I will just simply write document.write and then I will write here obj.location and then semicolon. Now save this and run the file in the browser, refresh the page. Okay, you can see the values I stored in location property is now accessible to me. In similar way, I can access any property I wish through this object. So that's all for this video and thanks for watching.